Well, a race against time. First responders rushing to help each victim as friends tremble with fear and families praying for their loved ones to be saved.
Tonight, through tears, a Stoneman Douglas graduate tells us she missed her chance to help that night. CBS 12 News anchor Paul Mueller continues our live team coverage at Broward Health North in Pompano Beach tonight with her story. Paul?
Liz, so many of those victims of that massacre brought here to Broward Health North that night. One person not here, that 2010 Marjorie Stoneman Douglas graduate you just mentioned. Now, though, she works here as a nurse, but she told me this afternoon that if she were here that night, she would have done anything she could to help the victims and their families.
It's like a constant thought in the back of your mind.
And for MSD graduate Alyssa Rhodes, it's also a never-ending nightmare.
I would have taken care of them. So it was hard not taking care of them.
Hard for Alyssa not being able to care for those brought to the hospital from Stoneman Douglas that horrible night.
I just wanted so bad to be here, to just be with everybody.
That's why on this solemn day, Alyssa and her mother are together.
It's difficult. It's a difficult day.
Especially difficult for Alyssa, remembering her days at Stoneman Douglas.
You walk those halls and you know what it's like to be in those buildings. I had classes in the classrooms that, were shot into.
Her carefree days.
It's filled with so much happiness for us that we would see all our friends, where we met all our friends.
Turning into guilt that she wasn't here, that she couldn't help.
And then it's stripped away from everybody that goes there now.
I still think there will be a hole in everybody's heart.
It's always there. It's a constant reminder. So sad.
So sad indeed. Now today at 2:21, Alyssa was here at the hospital. She wasn't at work. She was observing a moment of silence. That's when the gunman, as you said earlier, Liz, went on that rampage, observing that moment of silence, not only for the victims, but also for the entire Parkland community. We're live in Pompano Beach tonight. I'm Paul Mueller, CBS 12 News.